Hi, in front of me I have OPPO Watch 41mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the magnification on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing any of the side buttons, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Now let's tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and select accessibility, and here we have magnification gestures. Let's tap on it, then tap the check mark to confirm and enable it. And now we can triple tap on the screen to magnify it, basically. So, like this. You can also use two fingers to scroll around with this frame, like this. And to exit the magnification, simply triple tap on the screen again, like that. And that's how you enable the magnification on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.